Welcome to Curiosity Chronicles. Today, we're diving into 5 jaw-dropping facts about school that will leave you laughing and scratching your head. Fact number 1. Did you know that in Japan, students clean their own classrooms? Yep, no janitors. They call it osoji, and it teaches responsibility. Imagine cleaning up your own mess after lunch. Extra motivation not to spill your spaghetti. Fact number 2. In some parts of Colombia, kids get to school by ziplining across a river. Talk about an epic commute. Just imagine telling your teacher you were late because your zipline got stuck. Fact number 3. The shortest school day in the world is in Finland, where students spend only about 5 hours a day in class. Despite this, Finnish students consistently rank among the best in the world. Less time in class, more time for fun. Sign me up. Fact number 4. In Australia, there's a school of the air that teaches kids in remote areas via radio. These students might live hundreds of miles apart, but are all connected by the airwaves. It's like a super long-distance study group. And finally, fact number 5. In France, school lunches are serious business. Kids get a 4-course meal with fresh ingredients, including cheese and dessert. Forget about cafeteria mystery meat. These students are dining in style. Thanks for watching Curiosity Chronicles. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing adventures and learning. See you next time.